My 7 favorite social media tools that are free. Do you know what the second, third, fourth, and fifth most popular website have in common in this world? Let me give you a hint. It's YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. What they all have in common is they're all social websites. Social media is popular. So how can you leverage it to get more traffic to your website? Sure, you can hire people to help you out, but you may not have that option because it costs money. On the flip side, there are a lot of free tools that you can use that can help you out. And if you leverage them, you'll get more social media traffic. Here are 7 free social media tools that you have to check out. Tool number 1, Social Blade. Social Blade is a free analytics tool. Type in anyone's username and you can see their social stats for any of their social profiles. Here's my social stats for YouTube. The reason I like Social Blade is you can see the daily subscriber growth. When you see a pop, look for the content that was posted on that day. It'll give you insights on the type of content people love that your competition is posting on. You should consider creating content similar to that on your social profiles. Tool number 2, ManyChat. With social media, you never know what the algorithms are going to do. It's tough to continually get traffic from these social sites. Using tools like ManyChat, you can keep communicating with your subscribers, especially through Facebook Messenger, Instagram direct messages, and SMS. Give it a whirl. It's not hard to use. Tool number 3, Hootsuite. There are tons of social platforms out there and it's hard to keep up with all of them. Using Hootsuite, you can easily post to all the social platforms using that one simple tool. Their free plan allows you to easily manage 2 platforms, and sadly you gotta pay when you wanna manage more. This way, you can consistently post on all the main social platforms that you're trying to leverage. See, if you don't post consistently, ideally daily, you won't generate as many new followers each week. And it's hard to keep up with that. That's why you wanna use a tool that just helps you do it. Tool 4, Exploding Topics. If you haven't checked out Exploding Topics, make sure you do so. It's a tool by my friend Brian Dean. It allows you to see what's exploding on the web right now, especially on the social web. If you create content around those topics, you'll find others are interested in it and you'll gain more likes and even more followers. But be careful, as you need to make sure that the content you create around these exploding topics needs to be relevant to your overall social profiles. For example, I talk about marketing. I wouldn't create content around fashion even if it was exploding. In essence, you want to stay relevant. Tool 5, MailChimp. You're probably wondering, how the heck is an email tool like MailChimp related to social media? Well, have you ever heard the saying that the money's in the list? When you have all these social followers on social media, you need them to join your list. And an easy way to do so is to get them to opt into your email list. So by using tools like MailChimp, you'll be able to more likely stay in touch with your audience. This is important because social algorithms keep changing and it's harder and harder to make sure that your followers see your content. In essence, your reach keeps getting crammed down unless you're willing to spend money on ads. And through email, you can continually stay in touch and convert them into customers. Tool 6, Linktree. Have you noticed that it isn't easy to monetize your social following? A lot of that is because you can't really promote all your products and services. But by using Linktree, you can have one link that you push them to from your social bios from these platforms, and they can pick the services and the offerings that you have and pick which one's right for them. It's a great way to let your followers pick their own journey and figure out where and how you want to engage with them. Tool 7, Canva. Social media is visual. People want to engage with beautiful content that is readable and ideally unique. Through Canva, you can create tons of social content on almost anything, from adjusting images to even video to even creating, let's say, carousels that you would post on, let's say, Instagram. Canva can literally do almost anything, and best of all, it's free. Heck, you can even use it to create infographics. Now, if you need help with your social media marketing or even digital marketing, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. We were the Performance Marketing Agency of the Year because we provide amazing results. And if you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you for watching.